Hi, my name is Emily from Go Big or Go Home Cosplay, and today I'm here with Plaid Crafts introducing their brand new paint for cosplay, PlaidFX. Guys, I cannot tell you how excited I am about this new paint product. I mean, the cosplay community has been asking for an easily accessible, flexible, durable, high hide, high performance, non-tacky paint for I don't know how long. And PlaidFX has brought it to the table. So let's talk about why PlaidFX is a game changer. Here we have 2 swatches of EVA foam. This is normal acrylic paint. As you can see here, it's cracking, it's flaking, it's not staying on the EVA foam. EVA foam is notorious for being flexible and porous, so when acrylic paints go on it, it just doesn't have high performance. But with the new PlaidFX line, as you can see, these 2 swatches have been used and abused, and this is not cracking, it is not flaking, it is not coming off, and it's a game changer. Guys, highly recommend this, check it out. There's smooth satins, Armour Metallics, high voltage glitters, nuclear neons. I mean, the possibilities are endless. And today I get to demonstrate that for you on how these paints work on EVA foam. I had the wonderful opportunity of making this cosplay mascot for Plaid, and it's called Captain Effects, and I am in love. It falls within one of their 4 fandoms, and this is their superhero mascot. And so today, I really want to show you the performance of this new PlaidFX line. It's paint made for cosplayers, created by cosplayers. Let's get started. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for watching this tutorial about how I use the new PlaidFX paints. I showed you how they work on EVA foam, but you can also use this on thermoplastics, 3D prints, fabric, shoes, you name it. Try it out. Check out PlaidFX.com for all the latest news and details, and don't forget to hashtag PlaidFX so we can see all the work that you're doing too. Alrighty guys, happy crafting.